everyone, welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today, we got a total of 53 deals, 33 coming from Amazon OA and then 20 coming from Amazon RA. So let's check some of the deals that we got. Starting off with Cult Beauty, we got 12 deals. Let's check the last few items. Let's start with this Charlotte Tilbury foundation with a profit that you could earn 15.78 with an ROI of 51%. Benefit Bro pencil with a profit of 8.15 and ROI of 42%. Another one from Benefit concealer that you could earn a profit of 6.82 with an ROI of 35%. Let's jump to the last one, this Fenty Beauty Glass Bomb profit that you could earn is 4.40 with an ROI of 31%. There you go, guys. Check out the rest of the items that we got for you because we got a lot of options. There you go. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channels, review giveaways, affiliate income, and bounty bonus. If you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. A bot operated channel that we offer you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from Amazon that you could also sell back to Amazon. Another bot operated channel is the price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest price drops and deals from these websites, such as this sample, from 30% up to 70 to 80% price drop that you could see here. And lastly, our general and Amazon community, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a week of today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone.